Hello friends, today I have Vivo V21 with me and let's start with the design. So on the right spine you can see volume rocker and power button also comes with this textury pattern. Here you can see very neat and clean. Up top you can see secondary microphone, and here we have SIM tray, USB Type-C cable and speaker grills. At the back the phone comes with this matte finish, very comfortable to hold, and also you can see the triple camera setup here and the Vivo branding. The camera setup is really loaded, so 64, 8 and 2. The 8 megapixel is the ultra wide, the 2 megapixel is the super macro sensor. Also on the front you get 44 megapixel front camera in this notch, so all in all you will get good results from both cameras. On the front you get 6.44 inch AMOLED display which has 90 Hz of screen refresh rate and 409 ppi, so in all lighting conditions you will get good results. For your smooth performance you get MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor which supports 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and also you get one more storage option which is 128 GB. For battery you get 4000 mAh battery which supports 33 watts of fast charging, and on software front you get Android 11 with Vivo's One Touch OS. So that's it about the Vivo V21 5G. Thanks for watching.